define 3 to 5 steps for successful product innovation, what would they be? Let's say 3 steps.
Yeah. Okay. So basically what we did, but it wasn't really a conscious approach, right? But basically understand the customer use case, which was easy for us, right? Because we used to be customers.
Yeah.
Then define the limits of the present solution, I would say, right? So I mentioned those limitations of the xenon flasher, right? Which we knew exactly. And then, of course, then third step would be finding a solution to these limits.
Yeah.
And at WAVELABS, we came up with many, many different new features. And I guess then it's important to prioritize what you do in a roadmap by basically coming up with a business case for each individual feature. Yeah. And I think what's also very important is, let's say this is all in parallel. The fifth step is keep circling back with the end users and pitch your ideas and your roadmap to make sure that you're on the right track. So get positive feedback, or get feedback, maybe negative, so they help you then to make the right choices regarding the priorities in your roadmap. Yeah.